I searched how to buy shares of Hiab Oyj to show a short step-by-step purchase process. Hiab makes truck-mounted loader cranes and load handling equipment. It trades on CBOE EU under the ticker HIAB.HE, and this explanation is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker HIAB.HE to find the correct listing quickly. Confirm the search result matches Hiab Oyj on CBOE EU before opening the asset page. Open the stock page to read the basic company description and view the price chart to check recent movement. Verify the company profile references Hiab's load handling and crane products to ensure this is the right asset. Click the Buy or Invest button. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading resumes, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the order. Your Hiab position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes, showing quantity and current value. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow this step-by-step example.